Welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at the top 5 waterproof action cameras designed for capturing every moment in rain, waves, or underwater adventure. Each model delivers a different mix of durability, clarity, stability, and performance. If you are planning your next outdoor trip or need a camera that survives the toughest conditions, this list will help you choose the right one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black Waterproof Action Camera with 5.3K 60 video, 27MP photo plus compatibility with HB series lenses. The GoPro Hero 13 Black brings a major leap in clarity, stabilization, and lens flexibility for users who want dependable performance in extreme environments. This model records in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, providing a level of detail that remains sharp even when cropped or reframed, combined with improved color accuracy and enhanced dynamic range. One of the highlights of the Hero 13 Black is its compatibility with HB series lenses. These interchangeable lenses expand creative possibilities by adjusting field of view, reducing distortion, or enhancing low-light performance depending on the specific lens chosen. This makes the camera adaptable for wide landscapes, immersive point-of-view footage, or stabilized close-up work. GoPro includes advanced stabilization that automatically compensates for running, cycling, skiing, or rapid directional shifts. The horizon lock feature keeps the frame level even during full rotations, preventing tilted or disorienting footage. The waterproof housing allows the camera to operate down to significant depths without requiring an additional case, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and shallow diving. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo, 4K per 120 frames per second waterproof action camera with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, stunning low-light imaging, 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, long-lasting 160 minutes, outdoor camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo is engineered for creators who need reliable performance, exceptional low-light capability, and long battery endurance in one compact system. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor provides a noticeable improvement in dynamic range and clarity, especially in dim or shaded environments. Combined with DJI's advanced image processing, the camera captures smooth and detailed 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, offering slow-motion capability and high-action clarity. The color performance is boosted with 10-bit and D-Log-M recording, which delivers richer tones and more flexibility in post-production. The waterproof construction allows the camera to be submerged without requiring an additional case, making it ideal for surfing, swimming, or rainy outdoor environments. The rugged build is designed to resist cold temperatures, dust, and accidental drops, maintaining stable performance in unpredictable conditions. Its stabilization system compensates for running, cycling, or high-impact shots and keeps footage level even during rapid motion or sudden directional changes. Where the Osmo Action 4 stands out is its battery performance. DJI has extended usability up to 160 minutes in optimal shooting conditions, reducing the need to carry multiple batteries for long sessions. The fast charging capability quickly restores power when needed, making the camera ideal for day-long outdoor activities. The dual touchscreen design, with one screen on the front and one on the back, allows for easy framing from any angle. The interface is simple and responsive, providing quick access to all shooting modes. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera with 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27MP photos, HDR, 1/1.9 image sensor, live streaming, webcam, stabilization. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues to build on the company's reputation for advanced action cameras with significant enhancements to image quality, stabilization, and overall usability. It records in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, producing sharp and detailed footage suitable for heavy editing or slow-motion playback. The 27-megapixel photos deliver clean textures, accurate colors, and a balanced dynamic range. The updated HDR video mode enhances shadow and highlight performance, helping scenes look more natural in bright daylight or high-contrast environments. The 1/1.9-inch image sensor provides improved clarity in low-light situations and increases the overall field of view. GoPro's hypersmooth stabilization continues to evolve, reducing shake and motion blur, allowing users to capture steady footage whether running, biking, or navigating rough terrain. Horizon lock ensures that the footage remains level even if the camera rotates fully, reducing the need for post-production corrections. The Hero 12 Black supports live streaming and webcam mode, giving users the flexibility to use it beyond outdoor adventures. It connects quickly to smartphones for file transfers and remote control. Voice activation allows hands-free operation when mounted on helmets, chest mounts, or handlebars. The touchscreen interface is responsive, and menu navigation is streamlined for efficiency in fast-paced environments. Number 4. GoPro Hero 11 Black E-commerce packaging waterproof action camera with 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27MP photos, 1/1.9 image sensor, live streaming, webcam, stabilization. The GoPro Hero 11 Black delivers strong all-around performance with upgrades to image quality, stabilization, and versatility. Recording in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, it captures detailed and crisp footage suitable for action sports and landscape shooting. The camera features a 1/1.9-inch sensor that improves dynamic range, low-light clarity, and color accuracy. Its 27-megapixel photo capability allows for still images with sharp lines, balanced exposure, and detailed textures, making it reliable for high-motion captures. Hypersmooth stabilization plays a major role in the Hero 11 Black's performance. It smooths out bumps, shakes, and vibrations during running, cycling, skiing, or underwater movements. Horizon lock keeps the footage level through full rotations, ensuring balanced framing without the need for post-editing. Waterproof construction allows the camera to be submerged without an external housing, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and surface-level diving. User-friendly features include a responsive touchscreen interface, voice control, and compatibility with GoPro's mounting system. This allows rapid adjustments to shooting modes whether the camera is handheld or attached to equipment. The Hero 11 Black also supports reliable live streaming and webcam mode, expanding its use for remote content creation and real-time broadcasting. Number 5. GoPro Hero 10 Black waterproof action camera with front LCD and touch rear screens, 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, 23MP photos, 1080p live streaming, webcam, stabilization, renewed. The GoPro Hero 10 Black Renewed Edition provides powerful performance with modern features at a more accessible price. It records in 5.3K at 60 frames per second, delivering high-resolution video that maintains clarity during fast action or detailed scenes. The 23-megapixel photo capability captures sharp images that retain texture and color accuracy. The renewed version maintains the same image processing engine used in the original Hero 10, offering fast responsiveness and smooth navigation through menus and settings. Stabilization is a major strength of the Hero 10 Black. The system minimizes shake during active shots, ensuring smooth footage whether running, mountain biking, snorkeling, or skiing. Horizon leveling keeps the frame stable during tilting or rotation, adding a polished look to the final video. The waterproof design allows the camera to be used underwater without an additional housing, making it suitable for most water-based activities. The front LCD screen is useful for framing selfie shots or vlog-style recordings, while the rear touchscreen provides easy access to settings and playback. Live streaming and webcam mode are supported, allowing the Hero 10 Black to serve purposes beyond outdoor adventure. File transfers to smartphones remain fast, and wireless connectivity is reliable for both previewing footage and sharing clips quickly. Thanks for watching this breakdown of the top 5 waterproof action cameras. If you found the details helpful, check the product links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Make sure to subscribe for more detailed reviews and buying guides on the best tech and outdoor gear. See you in the next video.